So, maaga tayo today. Tulog yung cellphone. Nakakaloka. Morning guys! Happy Sunday! So, early morning today. 7:30 pa lang. So, galing tayo sa church and marami tayong agenda for today. So, come on, let's go! Hi guys! So, parang yung plano natin for today is maka-cancel. Wala tayong tubig! We're planning to cook pancake ni Enzo pero wala tayong water guys. Look! Then, oh no! So with that, cancel ang ating breakfast. Kumain na lang tayo sa labas guys. So yun ang mangyayari sa atin ngayon guys. Because wala tayong water, kakain na lang tayo sa labas. So guys, now we're going to the mall because wala nga kaming water. So anong gagawin natin sa mall, Bunso?
You're gonna go to Yabu. After you go to Yabu, you're gonna go to shopping. After you go to shopping, you rest at the birthday. After you rest at the birthday, you go to time zone. After you go to time zone, you uwi na.
Wow, may itinerary na siya. So tingnan natin guys yung magagawa natin sa mall, no? Let's see. See you later guys!
See you later, guys!
Bye! Guys, malapit na kami sa mall. At ang mga ka-date ko for today, ayun.
Hi guys.
Malapit na tayo sa mall and gutom na nga kami. Yeah.
Guys, I never go to school.
I need to eat guys. So yeah. Hi guys, we're here na sa Walang Sawang.
Tinawagan namin yung sila Tina.
Nasaan ka daw? Nasa Yabu. Walang kasawa-sawang Yabu. Anong kinakain mo daw?
I think salmon.
Rice and salmon. Kain guys. Kain na guys. Gutom na. Ina mo naman talaga, oh. Gutom na siya, di ba?
Guys, I'm done eating. I eat salmon, but I eat the wasabi spicy.
Kalasa daw siya ng wasabi. Spicy daw. Masarap ba yung wasabi? Oh. Sa checklist mo, ano pa next? Anong next mong gagawin?
The second is go to Chinese land.
Chinese land kasi dito meron sa gitna na parang Chinese setup. And then after that, where do we go?
Shopping.
Shopping? Ano siya shopping mo?
Play-Doh. After shopping, you go to the first stage. After first stage, you go to time.
May checklist yan. Di ba anong gagawin niya?
Yeah. This is how you go to the mall. Bye!
What are you trying to see?
I'm trying to go there.
Year of the Rooster daw siya. Nagpa-picture pa doon. Halika na, baba ka na dyan.
No, I'm pagod.
I'm pagod. Tamad. I thought you're gonna buy Play-Doh.
I'm pagod.
Look, it's the same as Hatchimals. This one. Yes. Let's go to Play-Doh area. Ito sa what color combination do you like? This one, ito just do.
I want to choose.
Which color combination do you like? With pink, yellow, green.
I want this one is better.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, because I like it.
Oh, only one.
Wow, I want to play this at my home. Today I'm going to play it. How do we pay it, Mommy?
Still have to pay for that.
How do we pay it, Mommy?
Mamaya, punta tayong cashier.
Look at the here.
Doon. Enzo's favorite area.
Can I build how to build a boat, Mommy?
Ah, sige, try mo.
I don't know how to build a boat, Mommy.
It's okay. You can always try whatever you like.
The same over there.
It's the same. Nasira na yung ganyan mo, yung ice cream mo. Nasira na. Sinira na kasi. We still have to build it again.
Okay. Wow, I like that hotel. I want to buy it.
Pagdating na lang ng daddy mo,
Wow, this is the biggest hotel I ever seen. Check out your room. This is the up there. Where's the bedroom? Where is the bedroom, Mommy? Where's
I
the
don't think it's a hotel. Is it a hotel?
There it is.
Hmm.
Hotel in here. Where's the bedroom?
Gagalis po.
Where is it? Where's the bedroom, Mommy? I don't see.
Oh, there's a sala here. Ayun o, bedroom. May unan.
Wow, it's a bedroom. We can sleep here. This is how I like the hotel. Can we buy it?
Pagdating ni daddy.
In the tower, guys. I'm done.
What tower is that?
Lego.
Lego. I know that's Lego. I mean, what kind of tower is that?
In Philippines.
In Philippines.
In the Philippines.
I'm the Squid Game soldier.
Okay. Squid Game soldier ka daw. Naku, tinan mo.
Say, oh.
Ah.
Okay.
Dati hindi niya pinapansin yan, yung mga ganyang toys. Ayaw niya yan. Ngayon, marunong na siyang ma-appreciate ng mga ganyang toys. Zion, here! Oh. Magkano yung ganyan? Ito nga, 3,000 eh. Billiard ball. 3,000. Ito, 8,000. Ganyan yan. Pag you have to kick. Magkano yung ganyan? 3,000 din, mahal ah. Basketball court, 3,000 din. Ito yung gusto niya na ano, kasi nasira na yung basketball court niya sa bahay namin. Tingnan mo naman, oh. Tingnan mo na pag ginagawa. Sumakay mag-isa doon sa motor, gusto daw niya yan, oh. Bagay sa'yo yan. Magkano yung ganyan? Hey, wait for me. Paano ka ano? Wow. Nagbabasa lang ako. Jaryo. Still have to find it. Let's check it out. Come on. Ito yung collection, oh. You already have these books, right?
But where's the dog man? Where's the dog man?
We already completed your dog, man.
Kasama na si dog man.
Yeah. We already have the whole set. Captain Underpants na? Kala ko Cat Kid. Check mo muna yung isa. Check mo yung isang Minecraft na book.
I want to choose. Look at what I think.
Parang mga cheat book siya. Survival handbook.
Survival.
Mm-mm.
Wow, Minecraft.
You still have to pay for that. I want... Chips na lang. Picnic. Sayon, come on, give it to me. I'm gonna pay for that. 800 points. Water. You also need to get water. 1 water. Yeah. Come on, dito, Sayon. Here. Enzo, let's buy muna. Apo. What do you want to play? You gonna play? Huh? Did you press start? Go, fire! Hi guys! Kakatapos lang namin mag-mall and natapos naman namin ang checklist ni Enzo. Si Enzo na masayang-masaya for today's video. Ten. Tulog na po. Sunday niya talaga today. So pupunta kami ngayon kay Mama La guys kasi may next itinerary pa kami. So see you later guys! Dito kami sa UP, magpo-food trip. Una kay Mang Larry muna tayo guys. Order. And then ngayon, for the ice cream ang mga person. Oh my God! For the araw. Ang course ko, kitang-kita. Ayan guys. Dirty ice cream guys. Let's eat. No, it's not matcha. It's avocado.
I need to eat it.
Yummy. Sarap. Sarap. Sarap daw guys yung ice cream ni Kuya. Ay, mga nanay namin. Nanay ko sa kabilang pusod.
Sa kabilang pusod.
Ito, nanay ko sa totoong pusod. Dalawa silang nanay ko.
Sarap. Pero yung mga puno dito talagang araw pa.
Oo. Grabe yung mga...
Matandang puno na yan.
Matandang puno na talaga.
Eh, may mga kwentuhan na matatanda about sa puno.
Oo.
Na-amaze sa mga puno dito. Kasi lahat ng ano dito, naka-covered sa kalsada ang mga puno. So guys, nag-order kami ng takoyaki. Tingnan natin kung masarap. Tapos meron din silang fries dito.
The faces to believe.
Cheese taco.
Mare.
Sige ma.
Good yan.
Taste test. Sabihin nyo kung masarap ba ha. Yeah.
Init.
Masarap. Pasado, pasado. Pasado daw sa mga nanay. Ito, kumakain ng french fries. Masarap ba yung fries, Sayon? Masarap. Sarap?
Yes.
Yes.
Very super. Super sarap.
Yes.
Sabi mo, super sarap po.
Opo, meron. Morning guys! So today is Monday. Hindi na ako nakapagpaalam kagabi kasi medyo pagoda na ang tita nyo. So yun, ngayon papasok tayo today guys sa office. May baon naman tayo, nakapag-prepare tayo kanina, itlog at longganisa. So let's go na guys. Marami tayong meeting for today. Bye! So yun guys, kanina as I was saying, marami akong mga videos before. Talagang mahilig ako kumuha ng videos. Hindi lang ako nag-a-upload. Kasi nga wala tayong time na, actually hindi na talaga napaglaanan ng time. Mali yung walang time. We always have time, di ba? Kaso hindi na napaglaanan ng time yung pagbablog before. That's why ngayon, parang I'm trying to commit myself sa vlogging. So, yeah, thank you for the support guys. Yun. So, I will upload some videos, some old videos for recording purposes na rin namin. So, i-edit ko yung mga luma kong videos and I hope you still watch it. I'm still gonna upload yung mga daily activities natin like what we're doing right now. Yun lang naman. So, yun guys. Thank you.